Yo guys, what's up? It's Sophie here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then hi, my name's Sophie Knight, and if you're not new and you've been watching me for a while, then welcome back. For this week's video, I'm going to be doing a try not to laugh challenge. I feel like for me it's going to be pretty easy because I'm a pretty serious person. I love to laugh, but I also do have my serious side, and yeah. I'm going to be watching funny cat videos, and I love cats so much. They make me laugh a lot. So this could either go downhill or uphill. Who knows? So I guess there's not much more to say, but let's just get into it. Oh, sunny day. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna skedaddle over. I'm going to be watching the videos on my phone, so I'm going to be screen recording it, and I'm going to be placing the video right here so you can see what I am watching and what's happening. So let's do this. Extremely funny cat videos. It's so cute. Aww. I'm failing at this challenge. I feel like I'm laughing more on the side of that, like it's just so cute. What? Cats are so weird. I feel like there are some really intelligent cats out there. The cat's eyes. Aww. Please stop falling. Please stop falling. It's so cute. I hate when my cat does that. Like, I'll be working on my assignment or a video, and then my cat just walks across the keyboard, and it's like, okay, no, because that doesn't matter. You're just gonna ruin everything. Ooh. She's like, get away from my baby. That cat is so beautiful. Dude! Jeez, these kittens are wild. Don't do it. Goodness mate. That is one big cat. There's so many of them. Oh no. Run for it, run for it, run for it. Ah! Dude. Don't jump it, don't jump it, don't jump it. Okay, I think I've seen enough cat videos for now. Thank you guys so much for watching my video this week on my channel. I really hope you enjoyed it, because I know I had a lot of fun filming it. It was definitely interesting. Don't forget guys to comment down below any video suggestions that you might have for my future videos, and don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up, subscribe down below. Also guys, make sure you turn your post notifications on, so whenever I post a video you get a notification telling you when I post a video. So I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching again, and don't forget to stay beautiful. Mwah. Love you heaps. Bye guys.